Act of consecration to Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Most Holy Virgin Mary,
Mother of God, and sweet beauty of Carmel, I this day, while wearing your holy scapular, choose you as my father and my queen.
I
I
now
now consecrate forever to your immaculate heart, my body and soul, my thoughts, words, and deeds, affections and desires, leading to you the entire right of disposing of me, and all that belongs to me, for the greater glory of God, and for the intentions of your immaculate heart. May the holy scapular of Carmel, which I have resolved to wear piously and devoutly, day and night until death, be for me a mirror of humility and chastity, a lesson of honesty and simplicity, an eloquent symbol of a ceasing prayer, the special sign of my consecration to your immaculate heart. May it all inspire me to live in the spirit of true devotion to you, and all the days of my life. May it keep my body pure and my soul holy, and may it lead me under your guidance to that degree of perfection to which God has called me. Then when my last hour comes, may the sign of salvation, the holy brown scapular, save me from the fires of hell and the pains of purgatory, according to your glorious promises, so that as soon as possible I may join you, my mother, and my queen, in the everlasting joys of heaven, to thank and praise you forever.